Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button or that bell button to receive updates whenever I upload a brand new video. Now today, I'm very excited to share with you all that I'm having a brand new kitchen fitted in. It's gonna be fantastic. I'm super excited and I just can't wait. This explains my lack of uploads. I've been so busy clearing out my kitchen that I've not had time to upload it. I've just uploaded a very quick announcement in my community section on my channel. I'm working on a new project, and the new project is my brand new kitchen. I like to dismantle it. My mum was all ready, my dad's all ready, and we've all got the tools out and ready. And I'm like, no, wait, I've got to do a before and after for you guys. So I definitely want to show you this. At the moment, everything's just completely clear. All we've got is a kettle for our brews and a few dishes that need washing over there, and then the rest of it. We had very late nights and early mornings of cooking because obviously we're not going to have access to our kitchen sink or our cooker for around 2 to 3 weeks, because obviously it's all getting put new. So we've just sort of cooked a few dishes and popped them in the freezer ready to use whenever we need to. So yeah, that's it. So now I will be showing you little snippets and little clips throughout dismantling the old kitchen and the building of the new kitchen. So stay tuned for that. I'm pretty sure you're going to be excited to see the end kitchen. I know I'm very excited to share with you all, and I can't wait for this brand new kitchen. We're getting a brand new cooker, which is not like this one. It's going to be extravagant, it's going to be brilliant, and it's going to fulfill all my baking needs basically, and it's going to be fantastic. So I hope you'll want to see my new kitchen, and I can't wait to share with you all. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Mum's on a roll. So guys, I'm extremely excited to announce our kitchen work has commenced. There's literally tiles flying everywhere whilst we're taking this apart. We are dismantling the whole of the kitchen ourselves, starting with the floor tiles, because we're having a radiator fitted in the next 2-3 days. So we're starting to take these tiles apart for that area to be clear, so the new radiator can be fitted in. Whoops. Yes. Yes, baby, it's broken. Yeah. Right guys, that's the flooring done. And it looks so bloody stunning. I don't know whether you can see the little bits of sparkle in the grout, but just look at that. Exactly how we wanted it all to be. A fab job by our tiler. And then I'll show you what happens next.